Check this out, this is the brand new Gen 2 Flexvolt grinder from Dewalt. The new Gen 2 is identical in housing, controls and features to the Gen 1, but what's really different is the brand new brushless motor in the Gen 2. And to see the difference, you gotta put them side by side. First off, a speed test with a fiber disc on both grinders. The Gen 2 ground the bolt all the way down to the head 22 seconds faster than the Gen 1. Pulling out my old jig from previous grinder videos, we did a runtime test on 22mm rebar with 9Ah batteries in both grinders. The Gen 1 managed 105 cuts while the Gen 2 managed 118 cuts. And when I went ham on a piece of 10mm plate steel with a flap disc, the Gen 2 grinder removed 17 grams more material than the Gen 1 grinder did in the same time. Changing the wheels is quick, it's easy, it's almost completely toolless. In fact, the only time I needed to use the included Allen key was when I was cutting the rebar. Because the rebar is so hard, it sort of tightens the wheel on just that little bit extra. Otherwise, it's a really nice and easy shaft lock and wheel change. It's got both an electronic clutch and brake for your safety. The one-touch guard is really easy to reposition, the grip is really comfortable, and even with that larger 9Ah battery, the tool is still fairly balanced in your hand, easy to control. The DCG418 grinder from Dewalt takes what already is a good grinder in the Gen 1 and makes it even better in the Gen 2. It's available mid-October 2020, more your local Sydney Tool stores, and online it's available as a skin only or in a combo kit with charger and 9Ah battery. And there's more Gen 2 Flexvolt tools coming, including a circular saw and reciprocating saw. There's going to be videos on both of them very soon on this channel, so stay tuned. If you've got any questions about this grinder, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.